is two languages to choose. You can choose English language and enter the system. And you will see the main screen. Now you can set according to your requirement, such as the filling volume. You can set as you are required. And the filling is also can set, such as I set 3 for your reference. And there is 3 buttons can control the machine, such as this button and the start button on the machine, and this button on the handheld depositor. Now let us try. When it arrives our seated 3, then the machine will stop working.